What's going out there, everybody? Hope y'all having a nice day. It's your boy Finesse Game, the best game. Music marketing tips for 2020. In this video, I'm going to explain how to promote your music to a targeted audience of everybody who's seen your Instagram post or interacted with your Instagram post in the last 365 days. So basically, what I'm explaining is when you run an ad, you don't want to run an ad to just people who don't know nothing about you. You know what I'm saying? It'll be like just throwing something in the ad and hoping something sticks. No, what you do is everybody who's interacted with your page, your Instagram page in the last 365 days, you target those people. These are people who are already familiar with you. They came to your page before. They know about your music. You know, even if they didn't like, they seen you come across they know their timeline, so they kind of familiar with you. This is why you start promoting that, guys. This is why you start promoting that. Like, comment. I'm gonna show you exactly everything you need to do. Give this a thumbs up. Happy 2020. I hope y'all being safe out there. Wash your hands. Be clean. Be safe. I pray for everybody. You know that we get through this. But yeah. So we're gonna get back to this video. Okay. Hopefully you've already connected your Instagram page to your Facebook page. If you haven't, I'll do another video on that pretty soon. But hopefully you have. But if you haven't, uh, write down in the comments if you want me to do a video on how you connect your Instagram to your Facebook, because you're gonna need that for this. Okay, so you want to go up here. You want to go up here, and you want to go to manage ads. This is why the fun begins. You want to go to manage ads. Okay. If you don't have an ad account, make an ad account. It's step by step directions on how to make an ad account. So if you don't have an ad account, make one. It's for free. Uh, uh, this is why you make your personal ads. You know, this is where everything happens. So if you don't have one, make sure you look up how to make a Facebook ad account. Okay. So we're gonna click here. Loading ads manager. Okay. You're gonna come here. You see where it says create, export. You know, this is already one of mine. So we're gonna go to create. I'm gonna go step by step on how to do this. Step by step on how to do this. What you want to do before we even start, you have to look in what's your main objective. You got traffic, send more people to a destination such as a website, app, or messenger. Engagement, get more post engagement, page likes, even event responses or claims. You know, video views, lead generations. You want conversions. You know, whatever you're trying to do. But for now, let's just go with traffic. I'm gonna go with traffic. You can name your traffic. This is the campaign name, so you can name it traffic 1 or traffic whatever. You know, let's go with traffic 1 for right now, just for this example. Continue. Okay. This is where you have to do an asset name. You don't have to, but just to kind of separate it so you know where everything is. It can be any name. Like, let's just go with one band. One band. Traffic is off the website. Audience. Okay, this is where we pick it at. This is where we pick your audience at. Now you have to pay attention real close right here. I'm finna show you how to make targeted traffic, so you won't be just running ads to random people who haven't heard of you. Targeted traffic, guys. Give this video a like and a thumbs up because I'm finna cut a lot of work out for you guys. Again, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up. I do this for y'all. So let's go. You got create new audience. You got use save audience. Let's go with you got custom audiences. Let's go with create new, or okay. Let's come up out of that. Use save audience. Okay, here it is right here. I already have the audience saved. See? Instagram, the exit. This is everybody on my Instagram within the last 365 days. Everybody. Right here. So I'm not just so when I do an ad, I'm not just randomly shooting to somebody. This is real important for independent artists. You don't need a major label. This is what they're doing. You can keep all your money and do it yourself. You see this right here? I'm circling it. This is everybody on Instagram within the last 365 days who interacted with my page. So, you know, that's what you want. That's what you want. We're not going to get into in this video the budget and the schedule. I got another video on that, but what I was just mainly trying to get to y'all is how to make an ad to only people who've interacted with your Instagram page in the last 365 days. Yeah. So the things are not as hard as they seem. You know, you just have to have the knowledge. That's it. You just have to have the knowledge. And the reason why I said earlier in the video that make sure that your Instagram page is connected to your Facebook page, because if not, you can't do this. You know, like I say, if you want a video and I'll show you how to connect your Instagram to your Facebook page, let me know down in the comments.